हरिः कर्ता।
Let's deep dive into the aggregations. So now we will look into aggregating statistics grouped by category. So let's take one example. So on the screen, what you see is on left side, you can find out a data frame. Example, let's take it as sex. That's the series label, and inside that we have male and female. The light color is male and darker blue is female. So in that case, the first aggregation takes place at male level and female level. So the age, so it will be split into two data frames, one with male, so you see that, and second one with the female. And then after that, the final aggregation, it will be grouped by male and then grouped by the female, and then average or whatever parameter that we want to calculate, whether it is mean or anything. So the mean of male will be calculated here, and the mean of the female will be calculated here, and then it will be put into the final result, the final data frame. Here you can see the male information and then female aggregation. So both you can clearly find out. So let's do one example so that we can have a clear picture. So what is the average age for male versus female passengers? Okay, that's what I want. So let me take the passengers data frame and take the selection, and inside that we want a list. So sex is 1 with the capital S, and after that we have age. Okay, and I have to, so these are the two labels I'm gonna target. One is sex and other one is age. So now I have to group them by sex, group them by values which are there in the series of sex, and do the whatever activity that you are expecting. So let me group by, so group by, and then by sex, and after that we have mean. Okay, so let me execute it, and here is that. So female average mean age is 27.915, whereas male mean age is 30.72665. That's it. That powerful it is. So as our interest is the average age for each gender, a sub-selection on these two columns is made first. So that's what we did here. Sub-selection of these two columns are made first. Then we have then we have used the group by method on the sex column to make a group per category, which is the value of sex value of the sex column. So and finally the average age for each gender is calculated and returned here. So calculating a given statistic, example, a statistic here, a mean or median or mode for each category in a column, example, male, female, in the sex column is a common pattern. So the group by method is used to support this type of operation. So this fits in the more general split, apply, combine pattern. You split it. Let me show that. You split it, split the data into groups, then apply a function to each group independently. So apply dot a mean here, a mean here, and mean here, and then combine both. So combine the results into a data structure. This is a data structure. So that's how you do this group by operations: split, apply, combine. So the apply and combine steps are typically done together in pandas. Okay, this apply and combine. So in the previous example, let me take you back to that. Yeah, in this example, we explicitly we explicitly selected the two columns first. Then, if not, the main method is applied to each column containing numerical columns by passing. So we can put it as a true. Okay. So let me do that. So it's you passengers df data frame, and let me group by directly by sex, and directly let me apply a mean. So what I'm gonna say is numeric only true, only true. Okay, let me execute it, and here is that. So this has been applied to the all 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 columns. You can see that all columns. Of course, some p class, these for that also main has been calculated, but that's not the case because they are not integers or not float, they are objects. Okay, but this is how you can even apply to the all uh, para all columns in that. So you can see that it does not make much sense to get the average value of the p class if we are only interested in the average age for each gender. The selection of columns, rectangular brackets, as usual we have did it here, we did here. So similar way we can use it to get specifically target certain columns. Okay, so let me show you what had happened here. So get back to the slide, and so this is our main data, and it's been grouped by sex, and after the group by sex, then the required, then it grouped by, then it's age, then finally applied a mean to that mean. You can see that whatever had happened on top, I am just explaining. It's a group by sex, and then you can see that a male has been turned here, female has been turned here. So then after that we have applied the mean method to the both the groups, group 1 with the male and group 2 with the female, and then you got the mean for the both the groups, and then we have combined groups both the both the aggregates together to get the final data frame. That's what had happened here. So you can see that, and that's it.